Hello guys, today I am gonna show you the maximum capacity for each program in Electrolux Perfect Care 600. So the first program is an Eco Mode and is a maximum capacity of 7 kilograms. In the cotton it's also 7 kilograms. In the synthetics we have a 3 kilo. In the delicate 1.5 kilograms. In the quick 40 minutes we have a 1.5 kilograms. The rinse it's a 7 kilograms. The water pump and spinning is a 7 kilograms. The anti-allergic 7 kilograms. The child clothes is 1.5 kilograms. The silk is a half kilogram. The wool 1.5 kilograms. And the sport clothes it's a 3 kilograms. The last one it's outdoor and there we have a maximum of the 2 kilograms. In the denim we have also 2 kilograms of maximum capacity of your laundry. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.